So, tell it. I'm gonna go. So guys, my brother just went to the coin shop and he found this. Right? He said it is so rare that there was a coin inside that I couldn't open it. And it's like a lady. See? He said he will give it to me until my birthday. Right? Yes. So, come here. Right. So, this is my brother. Say hi, Apollo. No. Why? Why? I said hi. Why? Why? Why?
It's like hi from the other.
So, actually, it was a joke. I'm the one who actually made this. Right!